This is my statistical final project. I'm doing the t-test. The question is, how many meals should you eat per day? According to that Healthline website, the average adult should eat 6 meals per day. Why I chose this project? I chose this project because I needed to be healthier as I am a bit overweight. I think this is important for people to know this information because it is a key factor in losing weight. What is the research question? How many meals should you eat per day? What does the data represent? The data represents the number of meals people should eat per day. What is your alpha and y? The alpha is 0.05 because it is standard. Describe your sampling method. So I asked 30 people how many meals they eat per day. I created a poll on my social media page and waited for people to respond. The sampling method included family, friends, and coworkers. Who was the population? The population is all adults in social media. Who was the sample? The sample is 30 randomly selected adults on social media. What did you do to avoid bias? In order to avoid bias, I randomly asked adults of different races, ages, and gender on my social media page. The question was, on average, how many meals do you eat per day? So, I selected 30 random people out of all the people that did participate in my poll, and I wrote down the number of meals that they selected. Okay, and this is the graph. Scale, the graph, and the graph appears to be skewed to the right. That means that most adults eat less meals per day, approximately, with the majority say 8. So our HO is U equals 6. The average number of meals adults eat per day is 6 meals. Our HA is U less than 6. The average number of meals adults eat per day is less than 6. So this is our citation right here. This is the citation. And then we're going to check the conditions. Condition 1, random sample independence. The data was collected randomly. Condition 2, normal. The sample size is larger than 25. So we can assume the data is normal for a t-test. Condition 3, big population. Population is all adults. And we're going to multiply our sample size, which is 30 by 10, equals 300. And all adults is larger than 300. So all our conditions are met. Here's the calculations. U equals 6, X bar equals 5.6, the S equals 3.15, and N is 30. Our SE is 0.571. Our T, our test statistic, is negative 0.70. And then our TDF with a 95% is going to be 30 minus 1 equals 29, which equals 2.045. Again, our test statistic is negative 0.70. Our p-value is 0.2459. And this is a graph. And our p-value is 0.2459, which multiplied by 100 is 24.59. And that is more than the alpha of 0.05. So we are not going to reject HO. And our conclusion is, I do not reject HO. There is not statistically significant evidence to reject HO, as our p-value is 0.2459. I conclude the average number of meals that adults eat per day is not less than 6 meals. And this is our confidence interval. Here is also a picture at the bottom. We're going to add and subtract. So it is a 5.6 minus plus or minus the multiplication of the 2.405 multiplied by 0.571. So the result of those two numbers is 1.38. So we're going to plus or minus. So on the minus side, it would be 4.42, and then the addition side, it'd be the 6.76. So I am 95% confident the average number of meals adults eat per day is between 4.42 and 6.76 meals. So, my paragraph of what I learned from this project. I learned that most adults do not eat the healthy amount of meals to lose weight. I was surprised that the average number of meals one should eat is 6. I've always heard that you should eat 3 meals per day. According to the article, to lose weight, the 3 meals should be split into 6 small meals, so it's 6 meals I found that 6 meals a day is high. I would think instead of turning it to six, I think you should just leave it at the three. But I found that adults eat between 4 to 6 meals a day. That's normal. I think this is not too far off from how much is recommended that people should eat a day. I will start implementing this method into my daily life to help myself and encourage others to be healthy and lose weight. And this is my presentation.